Hey guys, it's Melissa Martini on behalf of designbundles.net. Today we're going to be talking about how to install system fonts on your iPad. We'll be using the Cricut as an example today. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store and search for the application AnyFont. Now once it brings it up, you'll go ahead and pay for and download this application. Now, whenever you open up AnyFont, it is going to go through a tutorial explaining to you what types of fonts you can use, how to install them, what to do. So just go through and kind of read this information as a refresher if you need to update. I'm just going to flip through here really fast, and then we are going to open up our Safari, and I have font bundles open. Now on the right hand side, you'll click download files and then just click on a font. It's going to open a page like this. Go ahead and click on more and do copy to AnyFont. Now once you do that, we'll click on the font name, click on the icon with the double A's, and you're just going to accept all the way through and install and allow. Just hit next, hit install again, and then it's just going to ask you if you want to return to AnyFont, and you will. So we're just going to do this one more time with one more font so you can see. We're just going to go back over to Safari again. And I'm going to click the next font that's in the list. Let me close these windows. We'll do this barbecue script. Now I'm just hitting copy to AnyFont. We're going to go ahead and click on the name of the font and allow and install all the way through. Just hit install, hit next, hit install one more time. And then we'll go back to AnyFont. So now the fonts are on there. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and open up Cricut. And we are going to find the font we just installed. We'll use the barbecue font. Open up the text box, and there's your font. That's as easy as that to bring them into your design space. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for future tutorials. Have a great day.